Okay, this is it. This is the last dessert I'm going to be showing you for the year. If you like dark chocolate, if you like peppermint, then you're going to love this one. So stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution was a program developed by Dr. John McDougall, and following the Starch Solution, I was able to lose those last 15 pounds, which was no easy feat considering I was in my 60s and postmenopausal. But the Starch Solution made it possible for me to lose those last 15 pounds. If you would like more information about the Starch Solution, I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book in the description box below. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. I am a busy full-time RN, plus I'm a YouTuber, so my meals need to be quick and easy, and they need to support my weight loss. If that all sounds good to you, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and if you're new to this way of eating, or if you just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group. We're a pretty active group of like-minded people, and there you will find recipes, support, and inspiration. I will leave a link to my Facebook group in the description box below. So today I'm going to be making a dark chocolate peppermint mousse. It's perfect for the holidays. It's actually perfect anytime. And this is not what I would consider a low calorie density meal. It is higher on the calorie density scale, but it is still a great alternative for a special treat, or if you need to bring something to a party or to a potluck or a family get together. And it's only about 4 ingredients, and it is so easy. So let's get started. So I wanted to show you the ingredients for this super yummy peppermint chocolate mousse. So I have a 10-ounce bag of mini chocolate chips. These are the Enjoy Life, my favorite. Then I have a 12-ounce box of silken tofu, and it has to be this kind. This is in the Asian section. Otherwise, I can't guarantee results. So get this kind. It's the Mori new. Then we're gonna add a little bit of peppermint extract, vanilla extract. Then we'll crush this candy cane and we'll put a little bit on the top. And it's so yummy and it's so easy. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is we're going to melt these chocolate chips in the microwave. You start with 40 seconds, you stir it, and then you do like 25-second increments, stirring after each one till it's melted. So that's our first step. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will move on. So this is the consistency you want. It's not super hot. That's why you do it at 25-second increments. So it just gets melted, okay? I mean, it's a little bit hot, but you don't want it like steaming hot. And then add the tofu. It's just gonna make it weird. It's gonna make the chocolate seize up, and then it's gonna be gritty, so we don't want that. So we'll put all this into the food processor. So I'm gonna add the tofu. There isn't a ton of water in this tofu, but you just wanna drain off what there is. And there might be a little left, like there was there. No big deal. And I just kind of break it up a little bit. Then we will add our chocolate. Now we're going to add our extract. We got some vanilla, and I'm going to do a teaspoon. I do a teaspoon of vanilla and about 3/4 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract. If you want it more pepperminty, then maybe add 1 teaspoon. I just want kind of a hint of it. And you will need to scrape down the sides. You want to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. Now we're just going to spoon this mixture into these little glasses. And you can use a bigger, you could use a ramekin if you just want to make a few. So I'm just going to spoon all these in, And then we're gonna crush up that candy cane and put it on top. So once you've got them all in the little glasses here, or whatever container you want to use, then we're gonna crush up our candy cane and just sprinkle it on top. Now, if you wanted to be fancy, you could have put the chocolate mixture into a pastry bag and piped it in, and it probably would have been a lot neater, but I don't have time for that. So let me show you my candy cane crushing technique. So we have a baggie, we have our candy cane. Place said candy cane into baggie. That should be enough. Close it up, get all the air out. And here's the fun part. You get out a little bit of your aggressions and you crush your candy cane and then just sprinkle it on just for garnish. All right, now these are gonna go in the refrigerator and they'll set up. I have little lids for these. So I do like to cover them so they don't pick up any of the other smells in the fridge or taste. And we're gonna chill these. You wanna chill them for a good 2-3 hours. Overnight's even better. And then I'll show you how delicious they are. Now look how beautiful these have set up. Absolutely delicious. I like to top mine with some coconut whipped cream. You could use almond whipped cream, whatever you'd like. Any plant-based whipped cream would be fine, or you don't need to add that at all. Just a little dollop of whipped cream on top. And then I have that leftover crushed up candy cane. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top. And what I did was, some of them I put candy canes on top of the chocolate, and if you noticed, there wasn't any on the top of this one. Just because some people don't really like candy canes, or they don't want so much of that bam peppermint flavor. So you can do it either way, whatever you like or you think your guests will like. So let's give this a taste. So take a look at this. Yum. It is, this is about 4 ounces, and it makes about 4 of these. I do want to mention that I used a 10-ounce bag of chocolate chips. The Enjoy Life comes in a 10-ounce, but other chocolate chips come in 12-ounce. So if you use 12-ounce, that's totally fine. So don't stress about the amount. It's just going to be even more chocolatey, and what's wrong with that? So let's give this a taste. It just comes out super, I don't know if you can see that. It's just super thick and it's so good. A little crunch from the candy cane, which is a nice touch. But it's super chocolatey. It's so rich. I mean, the spoon stands up in it. It's awesome. So 4 ounces will be plenty. It's very rich, very satisfying. So I hope you give this recipe a try and just eat it with no guilt, okay? It's the holidays, it's a special occasion. You can treat yourself to a dessert and it's gonna be okay. One dessert is not gonna make or break your weight loss. You're not gonna gain a pound by eating 1 4-ounce dessert. So enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a great holiday. And look for more weight loss recipes for the rest of the month and on into the new year. I'm gonna really be focusing on the basics of the starch solution and just simple meals just to make all of our lives easy, including my own. And remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. So this is it. This is the last. All right. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so let's see. Which was no easy feat considering I'm postmeso. Oh, because I have it upside down. Oh my God, I'm insane. All right. Oh, and I was recording the whole time. I love that.